Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. So friends, today is a very requested video which many of my friends asked me, and that's the problem of many of the people, many old people, actually I should say above 50 years old. This problem starts, or 60, and it's a very common problem. And now these days even children are becoming insomnia, and they don't get sleep because of their gadgets. They watch too much of television, too much of laptop, too much of iPhones and iPads. So it's really becoming a very dangerous thing, and people are losing their balance of not having a good night's sleep. So today friends, I'll be speaking only about sleeping and what is the best position to sleep actually. So here we go friends. So first thing is friends, you have to always do good exercise in the whole day. Whether you do it in the morning exercises are the best actually. But if you don't have time, you can do after breakfast and before lunch. And even if you don't have time during that time, also do it when it's evening, when you come back from your offices, when you are done with your office job, picking up the kiddos job. And right now all the kiddos are doing online school because of all this pandemic going on. So you can do it in the evening also, but before dinner, friends. So you should have a very light dinner. You can eat a heavy breakfast, heavy lunch, but always the dinner should be so light, and it should be digestible, and you don't feel bloated eating that dinner right away. So first thing, no friends, you have done this exercise, you should at least walk a mile. You cannot do any exercise, you cannot go to the gym because of this pandemic. At least do walking, friends. There are so many good places in America where there are trails, and also we all should be doing a lot of exercise, and that walking makes our heart rate goes up, and it is so good for our health and our legs. And once you're walking, you not only exercise your legs, but you're exercising your whole body, because you're swinging your hands also, you're looking this side, you're looking at the nature also. You see pretty trees, pretty birds. Of course now it's all the trees must be getting fall, and all the leaves must be turning to fall down on the ground. But don't you all love that sound of the tree leaves when they are, when you're walking, how they walk with you if it is a little windy? And the best thing is, if winter starts, you should have a treadmill at home where you can just walk on your treadmill at your own pace, at your own indoor basement if you have kept your treadmill, or you can just walk up and down of the stairs. In America, every house has stairs, and you all can just go 10 times, 20 times, 30 times up and down, up and down. That also helps you in losing your weight, cholesterol, diabetes, and all this, friends. And there are so good salads in the stores, which you can just get some salad, eat nice salad, eat some nice healthy leafy vegetables, broccoli, carrots, spinach, and all sorts of things. And with all that, and if you can just skip your dinner and just have a skimmed milk glass or whole milk glass, that will give you the whole energy which you need for the whole night to sleep, and you'll get a good night's sleep. I have showed you how to make golden milk, and how to put spices in your milk, like cardamom, like black pepper, and put some good powdered almond, put some good powdered cashew nuts. All this help you in getting a good night's sleep too. So once when you're sleeping, no friends, you can put some nice devotional music here to nice Bible songs. There are so many good songs up there which says that how God is so good and God is so faithful. Now that the Thanksgiving time is coming, you should all be hearing good songs and all. So friends, first thing is that you should listen to good music. So if you listen to good music, it will be soothing to your ears, and you'll have that calmness in your heart actually. So with that also, you'll get a very good sleep. And Friends, whenever you sleep, you should always sleep on your left side. Never sleep on your right side, because the heart, it relaxes when you sleep on your left side. It digests your food well. It gives you a good deep sleep. So that is also very important. Sleeping on your left side is very, very important, and it is the best. You should never sleep on your right side, because the food comes into your appendix area and all, and that's why many people have appendix and all. So you should always make sure that you're sleeping on your left side. So friends, there are even some nice acupressure points which you can do it with your hands and fingers and on your head. So just take your thumb, put it on your temples here, then just place your fingers in the middle and just see where's your middle part is, and just there's a point behind of here with your middle finger, or with your fourth finger you can always find. Just press it, friends. Keep the thumb here and press it. This will give you very good sleep, and it will take you into a deep sleep mode. Just do this for 10 or 15 times and you'll feel so good. Just remember this, and going back, just press it with your fingers. Very lightly you can press it. So this is the first acupressure point, and do it 10 to 15 times. You can even do it for 20 times and you'll feel that, oh, I can sleep well now. And then there's another, this one. Just take your thumb again, press it behind your ears. Press it behind your ears here. So if you press that, that's the second point which you can press it, and it again you can do how much you did over here in the middle. You can do that many times, 20 times, 15 times, 12 times, and this point again. So you can just, and the third one is just pull your ears. The ears where you see my earring, just keep pulling that, pulling, 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 pull, 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 and you'll do this also for 15 or 20 times. So this is the third one which I showed you. So there are so many things which you can do with that. So friends, I've showed you 3 acupressure. So you can even do with your fingers. Just keep pressing your end of your fingers, any finger, all the fingers I mean. So just press. You'll feel that, oh, this is so good. If you're not in good mood, it'll rise up your good mood also. Just keep pressing all your points of here on the fingers, and it will be so beneficial. Then you can just do clapping, clapping, clapping so much, because all this is activating with each other. So just keep clapping, clapping, clap, 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 clap. You can count and you can just keep doing this. So this will make you sleep. You can even rub your fingers with your palm, and it will give you good heat also. When you're feeling cold, this will give you heat also in your body. You'll start to feel warm when you're shivering. So all these are little pressure points which you can do before sleeping, any time of the day. If you're feeling depressed, if you're feeling uneasy, if you don't have mood to do anything, so just keep doing. So I finished doing all my exercises just with you guys, but just remember, when you have to sleep, sleep on your left side. Never sleep on your right side. I don't know in my camera which one is showing you my right and which one is showing you my left. I don't know. So this is my right, this is my left. So I'm again and again saying sleep on your left, and your heart will be healthy always, just doing the small little points. So I hope this video helps, and if this video helped you, share it with all your friends, WhatsApp, your Instagram and all. And friends, thank you who and all have got connected with me on the Instagram. You can Instagram me or messages, Facebook me or YouTube me. So I'm available on all the social media. Feel free to ask me any questions. I hope this video brings you very good health and prosperity. So friends, if you have liked it, give it a like, share and a good comment, and subscribe it, friends. And bye, good night, take care.